Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Atom on Windows. I will be showing you two ways to uninstall Atom on Windows. You can follow any one of the two methods. So first, let us see how to uninstall Atom on Windows using settings. To uninstall Atom via Windows settings, go to Windows settings by pressing Windows I. This will open up settings. Now click on apps, installed apps. Here search for Atom. Click on the three dots, uninstall, uninstall. So this will uninstall Atom. Okay, so now Atom is uninstalled. You can see that Atom is removed from here. So this is how we uninstall Atom via Windows settings. Now let us see how to uninstall Atom via control panel. To uninstall Atom via control panel, press Windows R, type appwiz.cpl, press enter. This opens up the programs and features of control panel. Here you can see Atom is present. Click on it and click uninstall. So now the uninstallation is completed and we can see that Atom is removed from here. So this is how you can uninstall via control panel. So you can either uninstall Atom via Windows settings or via control panel. You can follow any one of these two methods. Once we are done with the uninstallation, now we need to do the cleanup. For this, press Windows R and type APPDATA within percentage and click enter. This should open up the APPDATA roaming folder. Here, check if Atom folder is present. So now we need to delete this for cleanup. So select this folder and press delete key. Okay, so now the Atom folder is deleted. Next, press Windows R and now type LOCALAPPDATA within percentage and click enter. This will open up the APPDATA local folder. Inside this, search for Atom. Select the Atom folder and press delete key. So the Atom folder is deleted from here. Next, press Windows R and type USERPROFILE within percentage and click enter. So here you must see the .atom folder. So select this folder and press delete key to delete it. So now the folder is deleted. So this is how you can do the cleanup post the uninstallation. So now once we are done with the uninstallation and cleanup, we can verify this if Atom is uninstalled successfully via command prompt. So go to command prompt, press Windows R, type cmd, press enter. This will bring up the command prompt. Now type Atom, press enter. So here you can see Atom is not recognized. So this confirms that Atom is uninstalled successfully. So these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall, clean up, and do the verification. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.